My grandfather started General Stamping and Metalworks in 1922, and we've recently moved with 300 associates into a brand new purpose-built facility on 54 acres, and we're having fun. My motivation for joining FMA was that I graduated from college with a degree in English literature, and the only place I had ever worked was this company. You know, FMA provided an opportunity for me to build my skill set and and really grow professionally. FMA membership has mattered to General Stamping and Metalworks in a lot of different ways. In terms of revenue, we're about 8 times larger today than we were when we joined FMA. You know, much of that growth was driven by just understanding what is possible, and being an FMA member allowed us to rub shoulders with some really great role models during that period. When we built our new facility, it was really designed to support a new organizational structure. And one of the key pieces of that was a professional training and development team. And the FMA training materials have been a great resource for the curriculum that we've built for new hires. And technology and the battle for talent has really changed the face of the manufacturing industry. It's opened a lot of new career pathways in manufacturing. The generation coming into the workforce today has grown up in a connected world. Once they get here, they feel at home and they can make an impact right out of the gate. FMA membership puts you in contact with other companies who are committed to moving forward. Over the long haul, most members realize that the real competition isn't the shop down the street, it's the company across the water. And we have to bridge that gap as an industry with productivity and service, and FMA can help us get there.